Barbie Cortez update. Yan ay the story ni Barbie. Yung kumain siya sa isang restaurant at kasama niya si Paula Huyong, yung ex ni Brian Bang, at yung sabi ni Barbie, still dreaming about the salmon, avocado, arepa, and matcha horchata, and always a great time with you, pretty girl, Pao Huyong Ili. Ready na nga si Barbie para bukas for Sparkle Fun Run. Sabi ni Barbie, finally got my race kit, all set for the Sparkle Run this Saturday, and see you there. Yung pati mga kaibigan ni Barbie.
Sa fun run. Kung maliligo si Barbie, maliligo.
And for Avinon Clinic, ang ganda pa nga ng model ng Avinon. And Pink Bloom, and Bright Temps, Hydrates, Suits, and Boots, overall skin radiant. So, ito yung mga nakaraan event ni Barbie. And for Silka, saka isang fun run. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is with Shorty Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.